Okay, guys, I hope you are all doing excellent in your life. And today we are going to do some string manipulation problems. And someone just asked me to describe the anagram of two string, right? So, what is the meaning of anagram? Pause the video and search it in the internet. What do you mean by anagram? Okay, first things first. Let's say there are two strings str1, that is A, B, C, and D, and E, right? And the other one is D, C, A, B, E. Now, if you look closely, both of the strings have the same letters, right? This has A, B, C, D, and E. So, if two strings have both same letters, irrespective of the orders they are arranged, or irrespective of the orders they are formed with. I mean, like if in the first position in string 1 it is A, in the first position of string 2 it can be D, C, B, E, anything. Order is irrespective, right? Order can be anything, but they both should contain same letters and same length, right? Now suppose if I give another input like string str1 is equals to HEL and str2 is equal to HEW. These two strings are not anagram. Can you tell me why? It is easy. You see, there are two L's, but in string 2 there consists only one L, right? So the last L is replaced by W. Is it understandable? Isn't that simple? Somebody just said, oh my god, anagram, oh my god, we have to do backtrack, we have to do this, we have to do that, we have to do recursion. So simple, guys, isn't it? Now there must be a problem in lead code. Like I don't really remember the problem number. That said, that says that you have to find the anagram of the string, the two string, this and this, and you have to check if this string is present as a subset inside this string. Okay, that we will be covering soon, right? That checking that string 2 is a subset of string 1 or string 2 is a subsequence of string 1 we will be doing in the intermediate and advanced string manipulation problems. But before that, people always tend to forget or tend to mess up things with anagram. This anagram, they think, oh my god, what is anagram? It is so simple. If you understand the logic, it can be done with a fingertip, right? So, without wasting any more time, think about the approach, how you gonna proceed with this problem. Take 2 minutes of time and think. method approach, right? What we can do, okay, so if suppose there are this is a given string, right? Let's say ABC, this is C, and this is str2 BCA. We know that these two strings are anagram, right? Anagram. But how can we proceed? Anagram. How can we proceed? What we can do is we can start scanning the string one, right? We can start scanning from left to right. So we use a for loop from I is equals to 0 till length. Okay, it's not visible, I understand. Okay. We start with a for loop, scan it to the end. Now, can we check each character like this? This with this with this, and this with this, right? Each character checking with each character of string 2. Then there must be a nested loop, yes or no? Right? Isn't it? Isn't this will be a nested loop? Tell me. So there will be another loop that runs. This is suppose this is I and this is J that runs from 0 till the end of str2, right? This is end of str1, right? So we can do with this, right? We can just give two for loops and go inside and we check it. If everything is fine, if everything is same, then we can say this is anagram. If one of the condition doesn't match, even if there is one, then we say it's not anagram. So we can just you know uh, initialize a flag, and if it is not equal to, we set the flag value 1 and we come out of the loop, right? So if the flag greater than 0, then it is not anagram. If it is less, if it equal to 0, then it's anagram. Simple. But when you go to your interviews, right, or giving any advanced programming tests, big O notation n square is not accepted because when you see such a easy problem that can be optimized to suppose n or o nlogn, whatever it is, we're gonna see it later. The interviewer or the test module always expect us to find it in this optimized manner, not this one. You have to optimize the code. Every time you have to see, you have to first understand its brute force method, then you have to optimize it. So brute force method is very easy. I hope you guys understand how to do it with brute force, right? You have to just scan it. Every time it goes the counter value 0. I check 0 with 0, I check 0 with 1, I check 0 with 2. Here, isn't it possible to optimize it? So we'll be doing the optimized one only. So let's try it and see how we can do it, right? Let me first delete this. Delete this. Yeah. So optimized solution, right? Take 2 minutes of time and think how we can do this. Pause the video and just analyze your brain. Like, how can we approach to do it on a more optimized way? Come on. Okay, let's code this up, right? Let's code this up. Let's try. Uh, okay, right. Let's say I hard code the value for now. It's A, B, C, D, E, right? And I hard code another value with B is equals to, right, say A, B, C, not this one. Let's do it another order. B, C, D, A, E, right? Yeah. So, point is, if this is string 1 and this is string 2, can we sort this such that it get transferred into this string as same as possible, because this is in a sorted manner, right? So what we're gonna do is, as this 2 is user input, we're gonna sort this 2 string, right? Sort. First idea that came up in our mind, that if we sort this 2, then this 2 string will be same as it contains the same letter. So if we sort it ascending wise, it will be same. Suppose this is A B C D E, then this will be also gets transferred into A B C D E, right? So they are, if they become same, then you don't need another loop. You will be needing only one for loop. Can this be done? Yes or no? Yes. So you see how people, if you practice more codes, if you practice more concepts, how you develop your skills, how you develop your thinking power. You see, there lies the key. So it's all about developing concepts. It's all about developing real world thinking power, right? So coding is nothing but just concepts. If you have the concept, you can code anything. Isn't that so simple? Yeah. So our motive is to optimize the problem. In other way, what we can do, break that big problem into small problems so that we can understand and analyze and code it up. Fine. So let's go and code this. So how can we sort the string? Can we use the arrays library? I don't know if you don't know about the arrays library. It comes from java.util, and it basically helps us to sort the array or string. So I'll be making a detailed video on this Java 8 collections and frameworks and libraries that Java 8 has given soon. So let me just go and arrays sorted. Right? If I sort A and if I sort B, let's see. What's the catch? Now, if I use this one as the length is same, so if I say if stri, so okay, if you say this, right? If we So we need to convert the string into array, right? Otherwise, can we do it? Yeah, have to convert the string into array, right? Okay. So how did you convert string into an array, character array? Let's see. So there will be char a, this one, to a dot to char array. This is a function that we use to convert a string into a character array. It divides the whole string, all the characters in each block of an array. Okay. So we can do another thing is character array b dot to char array, right? So I'm going to change this str1 and str2, str1, str2. Okay. So now this is okay, right? I guess this is okay. Now let's not do this. Okay. Now let's check if a of I not equal to a not a b of I. Then I set a counter or flag maybe that equals to 0. If it is not equal, this plus this one. Come out of the loop, check it out. Come out of the loop. Sorry. If fl equal to 0, then sys out and else scroll it up, sys out. Simple, not anagram, right? So let's see if this is gonna work. Scroll it out with the run Java. Let's see. There is any problem. Okay. As a two characters undefined type string. Let's say okay. Some problems that are we getting? Where we are getting. Let's not say this one. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That was a silly mistake. I complete class block body. Okay. Uh, we just nice, easy. Anagram. So we see this is done, right? So if we give another value, so let's say X Y Z T, or let's say A B C D F, right? And we give You see, this is the answer. So the concept is clear, isn't it? Guys, you tell me. What we did was we took two string, we converted into a character array, we sort the array, and now we are done. Same as this one. So keep this in mind. Every time you need to sort these particular string, you have to convert it into a character array, and then you can basically sort the arrays. Basically, arrays is a library where you can basically sort the particular array. We take that, we import that library from Java.util package. So clear, right? So now coming to the ultimate portion. This is the most important part. The complexity. Guys, what do you think? What will be the complexity? Let's analyze that too, okay? Okay, we got this for one loop as there is only one loop, right? This one, and it goes till 8 of length, right? I mean to end. So we can write this is possible. Yeah, this is done because it the loop scans from 0 till the size of array, and because we did the sorting, that is why there will be an nlogn. Always remember one thing, guys, when you use sorting, note it down in this one. When you use sorting in any part of the problem, there comes a complexity of log n. So wherever you see this arrays dot sort, or if you want to sort it through for loop or something, there will be a complexity of log n already attached to the total complexity because that's the rule. Every time you see any sorting method comes in or sorting, you are doing a sorting in your problem, there will be a login. There will be a login. Don't forget this. Many of you asked why login comes up. It will be only n because the loop only runs from the 0 to till the size. But before that, kid, keep your eyes open and see there is a login. There is a sorting function described which sorts the array, right? It sorts the both of the arrays. So because there are two sorting functions, so it will be login plus login. No, not like that. Any number of sorting functions, if used, there will be an extra login to the total complexity. Okay, keep this in mind. So there comes. I write it with the email like there comes the login part of complexity. Right? Sorry. Keep this in mind, it's very important. So if you want to take the code snippet, you want to take the code screenshot, you can take it, guys. This is the full code. It was simple. It was really very simple. We'll be moving to permutations and subsequences after this. So if you have, guys, any problem with this code or any concept about complexity, how the login comes in, you can comment down below and you can let me know. I'll be trying to solve all your problems in the next video. So till then, keep optimizing codes and never forget to practice code daily because it helps you strongly and effectively. And just keep up the good work and analyze the problem, analyze your thinking in a different way because that's gonna help you do DSA in a very effective and a very efficient manner. Okay, guys, till then, goodbye.